The process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Leaves are like food factories. Plants bake their food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is also evolved during photosynthesis. A word equation can explain the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water becomes glucose plus oxygen. The word photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is a combination of two Greek words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So, photosynthesis means putting together using light. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Ingredients of photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide for photosynthesis comes from the air and enters the leaves through stomata. Water from the soil enters through tiny root hairs and travels up the stem to the leaves. When photosynthesis ends for the day, the plant releases its excess oxygen through stomata. During photosynthesis, plants make glucose, which is converted into starch. It is used by plants and animals. Benefits of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is one of the most important chemical changes that take place in our world. If photosynthesis did not take place, nearly all living things would die. Very few plants and no animals can use the materials in soil and air for food. These materials must be changed into food before most living things can use them. Green plants perform this job during photosynthesis. Products of photosynthesis. Products of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. All living things use both of these products in cellular respiration to produce energy. What conditions are best for the photosynthesis? Light, intensity, temperature, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll are necessary factors for photosynthesis. Number 1 light, number 2 carbon dioxide, number 3 temperature, number 4 water, number 5 chlorophyll. 5 conditions are best for the photosynthesis. Number 1 light. The sun floods the earth with light. Sunlight is trapped by the plants to manufacture food. Photosynthesis increases as the light intensity increases. This is the most important condition for photosynthesis. Light is the most important condition for photosynthesis, because photosynthesis increases as the light intensity increases. Number 2 carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an essential component of glucose. The rate of photosynthesis increases with increasing carbon dioxide level. Its percentage in air is 0.03%. Number 3 temperature. Most plants grow best in warm conditions. The higher the temperature, the faster the process of photosynthesis within limits. Normally, plants grow well at 25 to 35 degrees centigrade. Number 4 water. Water is also one of the raw materials for photosynthesis. Plants evolve oxygen present in water molecules as an extra material. This is also considered as a most important condition for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll. Number 5. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is light trapping green pigment essential for photosynthesis. It gives green color to the leaves. This is also considered as the most important condition for photosynthesis. Like, share and subscribe Mohitu TV for learning.